Alright, this is part 2 of our review for Transformers Universe Voyager Class Overload, part of the 25th anniversary figure line from Hasbro, the Transformers Universe. Just a few more bits of detail on this figure before we transform him. There's an Autobot symbol right here. Scattershot did not have an Autobot symbol right here. Scattershot's Autobot symbol was on the gun right here. Let me just show you his gimmicks quickly. I mean, everybody knows this. This hand, well, you'll have to straighten out this arm to get the full effect. He can hold the new gun, the new weapon that you just popped out. It's got a scope and guns and missiles. So on top of these rockets, he still has 2 other missiles that he can shoot at. Quality issues on Hasbro's part. The missiles don't line up straight. I don't know if you can see it. They're a bit crooked. Yeah, I mean, I'm not a big fan of this rocket launcher thing. I like the molded in rockets right here, but it's there. It's a feature. Also, this targeting scope, pretty useless. I mean, can he really use it? I mean, he can't even turn his arm because of the massive missile launcher. I mean, the only way he can't use it. He cannot absolutely use this scope. It's practically useless unless a fellow Autobot can come in and tell him, hey, Overload, you gotta shoot to the left. I mean, it's just ridiculous. So yeah, okay, no big deal. The other gimmick, let's take out this weapon and put it on the underside of his hand. You can hold the weapon this way. It still looks good. Okay, the other gimmick. This one I think is a better gimmick, if it will move. Okay, there you go. A bigger gun just pops out. Yeah, just from there, it pops out. Very nice, and I'm glad it's painted. The tip is painted, not like Drop Shot. This is cool because you can also hold the gun like so. If you have moved you can move the launchers forward. I'm sorry, I've forgotten to mention that. You can move the launcher forward and backward. And he can hold his gun, the new gun that pops out, which is very nice. In this mode, he is very armed and dangerous. I mean, he's just massive artillery. I mean, he can kill a whole battalion of Decepticons just like that. Very nice. I'm very impressed with this figure. I mean, I don't mind getting him even if he's a repaint. I mean, he's just amazing. Oh, sorry, I don't know if you've noticed, he even has waist articulation. I mean, look at this. So much posability. The head is limited though. It just turns about like 45 degrees, 45 to 90 degrees, left and right, but that's about it. Not much you can do with that because of the transformation. So let's transform him. Okay, just straighten out everything. Very easy, very simple. Well, not too simple transformation, but it's not annoying. It's not cumbersome. It's not tedious. Okay, fold in the guns. Get rid of the weapon and the key. Let's fold this in. Okay, straighten out everything. Now here's what I was saying in the first part. Once you unlock, just fold it out. Once you unlock his arms and fold down his head just fits snugly in there. Okay, you fold out his arms. Oops, sorry. Push out the sorry, it's this one. Push out the cannons and then just join the rocket launcher. See, this whole assembly rotates. I mean, it's just amazing. Look at that. The whole assembly rotates. Sorry, the head is getting in the way. Should be able to clear. Okay. Okay, But I mean, this whole assembly rotates like so. There you go. See, it's a whole joint. It's a circular joint. Very nice engineering on this figure. I really like it. I mean, kudos to the engineers of this particular mold. I mean, it even moves up and down. Very nice. There's not much to say about it, but it's just amazing, amazing detail on the engineering of this figure. I think he is up for another repaint. From the news of BotCon, he is going to be Flak in the Wings of Honor BotCon exclusive figure set. So I don't know how that would look like, but he's probably going to be nice as well. Sky blue paint apps, very nice. Okay, last bit you want to do is join the legs, the feet. Fold up the minesweepers, okay, like so, and then it's just a matter of tabbing in the treads here, here. I had half the mind to pass up this guy and just, you know, just wait till I had more money, but I just, you know, took out the money I was saving for an Eternity Convoy and got him. So gotta save a little bit more. Oh, sorry, I forgot to fold in his arms, his hands. Small detail. And there is Overload in his alt mode. He is a missile launcher tank. Sorry about that. Let me just give you a good shot at him. Okay, he is a missile launcher tank. Very nice, very articulated, even in alt mode. And the gun, as a lot of the reviewers have said, can fit in the Minicon pegs right here and right here. You can do it this way, or you can do it this way. Doesn't really matter. See, if this would have been black or chrome or silver, it would have been a lot better instead of camouflage green. I mean, okay, just talking about the detail. He does have camouflage detail, but it looks digitized. I mean, just boxy, very boxy, not curvy. It's got some brown, maroon here, lime, olive green, military green. Very nice all in all. Rolls very well. Nothing has changed from the scattershot mold. It's very good. You can still activate the key gimmicks right here, but he looks better as it is. Very nice. Excuse me. As I said, you can just if you can kit bash it and paint in some gold or silver just to highlight the rockets, but even if you don't, it's still pretty awesome. He does have an Autobot symbol here, and it says MDL 82375. I'm not particularly sure what that means, but maybe you can write it in the comment section below. Okay, so that's about it. I highly recommend this figure. Absolutely wonderful figure. If you see him now on shelves, pick him up. I think he's a better purchase than Leo Prime between the two repaints. If you already have the scatter shot, it doesn't matter. You still gotta get this guy. He's just amazing. If you don't have the scatter shot or drop shot, this is the figure you want to get. Don't bother with the drop shot, and you don't have to pick up Leo Prime if you don't need him. So there you have it. In his alt mode, Transformers Universe Voyager class Overload. Thanks for watching.